Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we explore a feature in just a couple of minutes. Today we're going to learn about pole domains, especially those found on a wedge block. Now, to create a structured block, we need 6 faces, don't we? Let's take a look at the wedge block that we have in front of us and count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But hey, there's no 6th face, is there? How can we build a block out of this? The trick here is to use a domain built with a pole located right at the axis of symmetry for this particular wedge block. A pole domain looks just like a connector. It's really a two-dimensional domain, except 2 of the edges have 0 length. Now, just because the length is 0 doesn't mean that the connector dimension is 0. Let's take a look at the 3 connectors that will be involved. First, we have this connector here. It has a dimension of 10. And then we have the 2 pole connectors that are located at each end of the long connector. Now, these pole connectors are represented by a circle with a dot in the middle. They each have a dimension of 10. Now, they have a length of 0, but they have a dimension of 10. To create a pole domain, follow these steps. First, make sure that the structured toolbar icon is pushed down. Then go to Create a Symbol Special Domain. In our case, let's uncheck the autocomplete because I want to show you step by step how you do this. First, click on the long connector, push Next Edge. Now we're going to select the pole connector at one end. Now here you have to be careful. I'm going to use the spacebar to toggle through the options. Now right here it's hard to see, but the pole connector is selected. So I'm going to click the left mouse button. I'll push Next Edge. Now we're looking for a third edge. This is actually going to consist of the long connector again. Now, PointWise is smart enough to know that our structure domain is made up of 4 edges, and we've already chosen 3. So it has automatically pushed the next edge button for us, and now it's looking for the final edge. I'm going to hover the mouse over this second pole connector and toggle through just to make sure that we're choosing the pole connector. All right, I've clicked it, and down here in the messages box it says created a domain. It created a pole domain. The messages box says that we created a domain. Let's try to see if we can make a block out of these. I'm going to push the Domains mask button. I'll select all of the domains, and on the toolbar I'm going to push the Assemble Blocks icon. And we see down here in the messages window that one block was created. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below, or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.